was at an antiques fair today and this little item jumped out at me. Just asked me to buy it. It's obviously silver and hallmarked on one side. It was dated at 1910. The hallmark will obviously verify that. It was made by a maker called Stuart Clifford and Co. And inside you can see 2 decks of cards for playing patience with. And these seem to be the original cards, and they all seem to be present and correct. Quite a rare thing. I know you can get replacement cards, so it's not the end of the world if you haven't got all of the cards, you can get replacements. Quite a sweet item though. The dealer said that in the last 10 years she's come across about 4 of these, and this is the first one that she's had which was complete. So maybe not the rarest thing in the world, but not something that I had seen before. And a nice item, especially for me because I like playing cards, I like poker. It's an area of interest, so it appealed to me. Also at this antique fair, we happened across this little watch. From the dial you can tell it's a World War I era watch. Stiff at the top, so it hasn't been worn that much on a chain. Obviously a manual wind. And on the back you can see a crow's foot and GSTP, meaning General Service Timepiece. There's also a number there, which I'm going to have to do a bit of research on. And inside we can have a look at the movement. 15 jewels, adjusted in 3 positions. Quite a clean thing, Swiss made. Don't know who the maker is. It's a little star on one side, I'm not sure if that's going to be a clue. Don't really know what that means. Pocket watches aren't any area of knowledge for me. But something this old in this condition seemed to be a bit of a rarity, and the piece appealed. Thanks for watching.